Stop thinking of this as just another electric car. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is proof that the EV revolution is accelerating, and Tesla, Incorporated, is still miles ahead. More refined aerodynamics, smarter AI-driven systems, brutal instant torque, and a cabin that feels like it came from the next decade. This isn't the future anymore. It's already here. Exterior design, sharper, cleaner, more efficient. The 2026 Model 3 builds upon the sleek redesign introduced in previous updates, but now with even more aerodynamic precision. Key exterior enhancements: slimmer adaptive LED headlights with sharper light signatures, redesigned front bumper with optimized airflow channels, enhanced underbody aerodynamics for improved high-speed stability, new aero-optimized wheel designs, 18 inches, 19 inches, and 20 inches options. Refined full-width LED rear light bar, improved panel fitment for reduced wind noise. Tesla continues to chase efficiency through design. Every contour is engineered not just for aesthetics, but for airflow management. The drag coefficient remains among the lowest in its segment, helping maximize real-world range. Battery technology and range: Tesla refines its battery chemistry and thermal management system for 2026, increasing durability and charging consistency. Estimated variance and range: standard range RWD, 300 plus miles long; range AWD, 350 plus miles; performance AWD, 315 plus miles. Improvements include faster DC fast charging speeds, smarter battery preconditioning, improved energy density, enhanced cold weather performance. Access to Tesla's global Supercharger infrastructure remains a major advantage, providing seamless long-distance travel capability. Performance: instant, effortless power. Even in base form, the Model 3 delivers strong acceleration thanks to instant electric torque. Estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour. Standard RWD, approximately 5.8 seconds long range. AWD, approximately 4.2 seconds performance. AWD, approximately 3.0 seconds. The performance variant features upgraded dual motor system, performance brakes, lowered suspension tuning, track-ready acceleration. Yet despite its speed, the ride remains composed and refined, thanks to retuned dampers and improved suspension geometry. Software and AI, a rolling smart device. The 2026 Model 3 continues Tesla's software-first philosophy. Technology highlights: 15-inch central touchscreen interface, rear passenger display, enhanced voice command recognition, advanced autopilot capability, optional full self-driving, where available, continuous over-the-air updates. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla improves the vehicle long after purchase. Updates can refine efficiency, add features, and enhance driver assistance systems. The car evolves over time. Interior: minimalism meets premium comfort. Inside, the Model 3 feels more premium than ever. Interior features: high-quality soft touch materials, ventilated front seats, select trims, improved ambient lighting system, acoustic glass for quieter cabin, premium sound system with immersive clarity. Tesla maintains its button-free approach, creating a clean, futuristic dashboard layout. Nearly all controls are integrated digitally, reinforcing its tech-forward identity. Rear passenger comfort also improves with better seat contouring and improved climate control management. Dimensions and practicality. Despite its sleek design, practicality remains strong. Approximate dimensions: length, approximately 185 inches, width, approximately 73 inches, height, approximately 56 inches, wheelbase, approximately 113 inches. With both a rear trunk and front trunk, cargo versatility exceeds many traditional sedans in the segment. Market position and competitors. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 continues competing in the premium compact EV segment, rivaling both electric and internal combustion sedans. It appeals to tech-focused drivers, performance enthusiasts, urban commuters, early adopters of smart mobility. Tesla's global brand recognition and charging ecosystem keep it ahead in overall ownership convenience. Expected pricing: estimated. Standard range: mid $30,000. Long range: low $40,000. Performance: mid $40,000. Final pricing varies by market and incentives. Why the 2026 Model 3 still matters. The Model 3 is no longer the disruptor. It's the benchmark. It represents the normalization of EV ownership software-defined vehicles, AI-integrated driving systems. The shift away from traditional combustion power. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 doesn't just improve on its predecessor, it strengthens Tesla's dominance in the electric sedan space, proving that innovation is not a one-time breakthrough. It's a continuous upgrade.